If Firefox extensions keep crashing on Windows, yeah, that can break your browsing, block features, or even freeze your browser. Let's fix it step by step. First, close Firefox fully and reopen it. I mean, extensions sometimes crash due to a temporary loading glitch. Next, make sure Firefox is updated. Outdated browser versions often cause extension compatibility issues. Now go to Add-ons Manager and disable all extensions, then re-enable them one by one. Yeah, this helps you find the one causing crashes. Next, check if two extensions are conflicting. I mean, ad blockers, VPN tools, or security add-ons often clash with each other. Now, clear cache and temporary files. Corrupted browser data can cause extensions to crash or stop loading. Next, start Firefox in troubleshoot mode. Yeah, this disables extensions temporarily so you can identify the problem safely. Now check extension permissions. I mean, some add-ons crash when they don't have access to required sites or features. Next, uninstall and reinstall the extensions that keep crashing. Corrupted extension files can break functionality. If it still crashes, refresh your Firefox profile. Yeah, this fixes deep configuration issues without removing bookmarks. If nothing works, reinstall Firefox completely. I mean, this resets everything and fixes stubborn extension crashes. And that's it. One of these fixes should stop Firefox extensions from crashing and make everything stable again.